Alright, so it is kind of hot outside, but today I'm going to make, on the Blackstone, yes, chicken meatball sliders. I'm very excited. We'll make a sauce, we'll make the meatballs. I got my Carb Smart Hawaiian rolls this time. So, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first off, glovies. Second off, bowl. Third, meatballs. So I have here 1 pound of lean ground chicken, and then I will put this recipe in the description below, and I will also put the recipe for the sauce in the description below, and we're actually gonna make the sauce outside. So anyway, back to the meatballs. Add my ground chicken. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, and then I have some leftover breadcrumbs that I made out of some sourdough bread, but I'm gonna add about a 1/2 cup. And the nice thing is you can make this ahead of time and then freeze it. 1 egg, a 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1.5 teaspoons to 2 teaspoons of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of dried parsley flakes. Okay, and give that a good mix. All right, and then we're just gonna form these into about 2-ounce balls, AKA about 1.5 to 2-inch meatballs. All right, meatballs are made, Blackstone is heating up, everything's outside for the sauce. But let's head outside to the Blackstone. Okay, so I came back inside, camera got a little warm, apologize for that, but went ahead and put the meatballs in the sauce, got my buns toasted. They're a little dark for my taste, but I made it work. And then I got some mozzarella cheese, and then I have to put some hot peppers on this, and then we'll kind of dress the top. I got some olive oil, and then we'll put some Parmesan cheese and some parsley on it just to kind of make it look pretty. But go ahead, throw some of my meatballs on here, and the nice thing is because they cooked on the Blackstone, they're a little flat, so it kind of works out. And if you want to, you can always just kind of break them up a little bit to kind of make them fit just a little easier on here. Okay, and then I am going to add a little bit more sauce on top of this. Okay, then I went ahead and put some mozzarella cheese on this. I'm gonna go ahead and put my hot peppers on these. And then I'm just gonna throw this in the oven for about 5 minutes. But here is the Parmesan, a little bit of parsley, cheese, peppers. Yeah, just until the cheese melts. All right, class, 425 for about 3-5 minutes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's eat. All right. Oh yeah. So I missed like half of it, but oh yeah. Cheers. Yeah. Funny enough, the little bit of char on the meatballs is real nice. And I know that I got most of it off the bun, but still a little bit. Very nice, very subtle. And then the meatballs are delicious. And then obviously hot peppers do what hot peppers do, but very, very messy too, I'll say that. Well guys, there you have it. Chicken meatball sliders on the Blackstone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did and you're new, make sure you hit that sub button. Throw a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. And as always, peace out. And I will see you guys in the next one.